touch my crown. They see the vision I've found.
What's good, royalty fam? It's your girl Genesis back with another video, and today's video is a braid out tutorial. Basically how I do my braid outs and all the products that I use. So let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by just parting my hair down the middle and putting up one of my halves up and out of the way. Then I'm going to just part the other section in half and put the other half up and out of the way to make it easier for me to comb it out. Then I'm going to spray it with some water and just finger detangle. Then I'm going to use this Honey Love Conditioning Curl Enhancing Spray and Detangler. It's good for twist out, braid outs, and natural styles, and it is 99.99% natural. So you guys should go check this product out to test it out. Then I'm going to use the Cantu leave-in conditioner and put that all over my hair, making sure I get my ends. And then I'm going to just start combing my hair out with a denim brush. Then I'm going to split my hair into this front section here and just start braiding that all the way down. Then I'm going to split that other part and just start braiding. Then I'm going to just do the exact same thing to the rest of my hair. Now it is the morning time and I'm just taking off my bonnet and my scarf, and I'm going to rub my hands in some olive oil and put that all over my hair and my ends especially, and just start taking the braids down. And then once I unravel the braids, I make sure to separate the braids from the bottom and twist my finger around to keep the curl in. Okay, so right here I'm spraying my hair with some water, and before this I also picked my hair to make it a little bit more puffy, but right now spraying my hair with some water, just the front part, and brushing it down with a toothbrush, and about to bobby pin it because I did not like it all out, so I bobby pinned the front down. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Press the subscribe button for more videos like this one or like my other videos. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Deuces.